Today it's a real honor for me to be part of this event of PHIC Expo 2020. There are many reasons, like doctors were very clearly telling what happened and what's going to happen. So thank you so much, Dr. Reddy Garu and sir, because we were in the impression that the vaccine is going to come and we are going to come out shortly with that. That's a perception which a lot of people are, educated or people who are related. That's a typical ideology. I'm sure, I think with this few words, I think we are clear that how do we manage our offices from an IT perspective? How do you manage our household? And how do you come out and work is something which I think is a great message from you, sir. I think thank you for giving that very loud, which is need of the hour. And today is a very great day because, for the last 9 months, we are getting a lot of news from your so-called Google, so-called the messages, the YouTubes, your doctors, well-wishers. Keep sending a lot of WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp videos. So I'm sure at a point of time, I was just wondering what is right, what is not right. I mean, so typically, which one to believe? Is it the right way of living? Is it the right way if I apply something, I'm out of, can I escape coronavirus or the virus which is not getting into a home? So different assumptions, different videos were it was very difficult, very confusing. So WHO, to an extent, we got a lot of operating procedures, SOPs are already in place. So to an extent, we are now very ready for the next coming years. So what to do now, everybody is clear. Now we're not in a worry that, wearing the mask, managing the basic etiquettes of, the SOPs and social distancing, this really helps out to come out of this pandemic. And when we had a discussion initially about this PHIC Expo, we are supposed to do this in somewhere in September. That's what, if I am right, when I had a discussion with all the bodies. So at that time, we were not clear that we will do one kind physical event. Nobody was clear that because there is no clarity that we are coming out of the lockdown and everybody is going to come physically. It was just an imagination that everybody will come at one place and have an event. But today I can see that this happened today. Most of the people, thousands of people already logged in, hundreds of people already into this conference room. So there is a lot of confidence that people are gaining today that if I manage the basic principles of COVID, the protocols, I think everybody can come out very safely, they can work and they can go anywhere in this world. So I would respectfully thank all the organizers, especially HITEX, who really created this platform. And I would like to thank the Rotary Club. I would also thank Mr. Krishna Edula, who has been always supportive to the IT industry. And Sajjana Garu was kind enough. And Sri Jayesh Ranjan Garu was also been very supportive during this event. A small example is when suddenly the lockdown was imposed in the month of March, the complete IT was in a panic stage. So we don't know what to do. Employees are at home, their laptops are at office. So how do we run our business? This was a panic situation for the complete IT industry, around 6-7 lakhs people who are working in IT. Then I think with all the support of SCSC, Sajjana Garu and other police commissioners of Hyderabad, I think there was a concerted decision taking that, we don't worry, we are there to send what is required for the IT industry. I think today we can say that the work has not been hampered to an extent. I think still the work from home is working good. We don't know when we are going to, as Rao Garu was rightly said, the work from home is not the permanent solution to come out of this. There should be a different ideology. How do an employee come to work with a safe and secure measures? I think the IT parks are assuring. I'm sure that I've visited a couple of IT parks in last couple of months. Everybody is prepared, to run their offices. So today, I think everybody should join hands. The message should be very clear, very loud, that everybody should wear a mask and the IT campuses are safe and secure to come and work. So we will take a lot of advice from the doctors fraternity to how do we run our offices. That's the whole story of this 3 days event. So there are a lot of seminars, there are a lot of the certifications were planned for next 3 days. So we are going to talk about, we call a lot of senior doctors onto the panels and ask a lot of questions on how do we run our offices if you are going to run the offices shortly. So with a short note, I would like to thank everyone who believe that there is something here which is going to change.